all night on a drink of rum. Daylight come and you want to go home. Stack banana till the morning come. Daylight come when you want to go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come when you want to go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come when you want to go home.
Good morning, guys. Today is the 4th of March, 2020. It's a Wednesday morning. Market's going to open here in a couple minutes. I'll be back. There's the bell. Market is open. Let's see what she's up to here today. Pressure's down. Most likely going to be looking for shorts. But let's wait and see. Waiting for a signal. Market's going up. I'm looking for shorts. Got a signal. Got in right here. A little bit late entry. Clicked up here. Market order. Time it was filled, it was way down there. Nature of the beast. Market orders. And targets filled. Had some quick bars down. Got my 3 nuggets for the morning. And I'm going to be happy with that. Guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Come, Mr. Tallyman.